Can't believe Indigo flight is on time.
Hold on.
No, that's
Please don't talk so wait. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is so good. Can't handle how exciting this is.
quiet.
Welcome to English classes with Rhythm Jane. It's been so long I've seen a snake.
You just mentioned that there's a suspecting female cobra.
What's up guys, what's up?
Good morning.
Welcome to the vlog. We're actually going for a small 2-day trip to Nagpur. The location is Tadoba National Park. All of us wanted to go for a safari for a very long time, and this time I'm collaborating with a resort called as Trees and Tigers, and I saw them on Instagram. I wrote them, I was like, I really like your resort and I would really like to come over, and I could also get 3 more people with me, so obviously I chose them, Tullu and Meghna. Meghna is the one who is mad about wildlife. I'm super excited. We hope we spot a tiger. Monsoon is not the right season to visit National Park. Guess the price.
400.
Meghna wants to eat idli.
I don't want to pay 400.
What's your guess?
400.
300.
So let's see how much it's for. Rhythm was correct. Steve idli 340.
Just even I'm beach mein. I said 300, so that's 340. Yeah.
So does that mean we get 2 free idlis?
Yeah. 340 की थी कि 360 की थी?
What?
The idli.
Idli 370.
370 plus taxes
370
अलग.
for 2 idlis plus taxes.
And idli से तो पेट भी नहीं भरता है.
Never pay more than 80 rupees for idli.
All of us are hungry, so I grabbed something from Coco Cart, and it's quite affordable. A cappuccino for 275 at the airport.
The airport, wow.
Take my money. I'm so spoiled that I never know what to order. It's always Rhythm and Tullu ordering. Should I wait to see if Tullu's wrap is nice and then
No,
order
it'll be
the
nice over here. don't
Kathi
worry.
paneer wrap? What do you want?
Whatever you're having.
I said Kathi paneer wrap.
Then
Our flight is at 6:10. Boarding will start at 5:30. We are on time. We ate at Coco Cart and would highly recommend you, if you ever come to T1, eat at Coco Cart
please
because
don't pay 400 for idlis, rather pay 400 for a fresh made
sandwich.
sandwich.
Yeah. Can't believe Indigo flight is on time.
Hold on.
No, that's
Please don't talk so wait.
let's go ahead.
5:45, 6:10, the aeroplane should fly.
Aeroplane.
You take B-roll now. I will sleep and you will take B-roll. I've slept the entire time. I think I wasted the window seat. I should have given it to Rhythm or Tullu. But I don't have anything to do. I'll just sleep.
Did you sleep well?
Obviously, I slept for the entire ride. 1 hour, na?
So you were wrong to say that they took off. I told you don't jinx it.
17 ko took off, na?
No.
No, 25.
25.
घूमी रही थी इतने टाइम तक.
Plus the moment it took off, you dozed off and
Yeah.
you both are dancing in the turbulence over there.
I was like, what the hell?
I think I'm just the lucky one who doesn't care and sleeps. Today's plan is first we're going to go to this very famous roastery, which is what? Corridor 7. Yeah, we're going to have coffee there because I desperately need a good coffee. After that, we're going to go in our stay and then we're going to jump inside the pool. Right?
Yes.
Today we're going to relax. So let's go. after the 2 hours ride, we made it to Trees and Tigers. Hello. I'm lovely. Nice to meet you. Hello. Thank you. Thank you so much. Look. Oh,
Thank you. Welcome only, I would say. I was distracted.
Thank you so much.
We're spread around to 10 acres of land, and as you see, everything is like a widespread, and it's all wilderness. We recommend that you follow the tracks always. Do not venture into the bushes, even to take a picture or anything, because you might see anything unwanted that you wouldn't like to encounter. As it's a tented accommodation, do always remember to close your doors when you settle in case it could attract insects and all. So that's one of the things. So to reach out to us from the tents, you can dial 919. Our staff is 90% local here. So if there is any communication barrier that you face, then you can definitely call us out for help. So we'll reach out to you. Hope you have a good day with us.
Thank you.
Imagine me coming to Tadoba and then showing snaps to Meghna that Meghna, see where am I?
I would block that in real life. That would happen.
She's the one who actually told us about a lot of safaris, even about the snow leopard, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And every time we meet, we are either planning some of the other things in Masai Mara, this and that. But let's start with Maharashtra first, because Maharashtra has a lot of national parks, and Tadoba is one of the most popular national parks here. During summer, it's crazy. We are inside a jungle, guys, and this you can already sometimes you just can understand the vibe and the architecture by the place that how good it is. This is literally a luxury tent. Look how the tents are so far. We are inside a jungle. He gave us a welcoming drink. Cheers.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside,
I'm so excited to see the rooms. How cute. This is so good. Wait, we have a welcoming note here first. Welcome to Trees and Tigers. Namaskar. We are delighted to have you with us. Our team is here to ensure that every moment of yours is memorable while you have an enchanting safari experience at Tadoba National Park. For any guidance, feel free to contact us. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's so cool. I still want to see more, but
Wow. It's so good. We have a pool here.
please see the washroom. I love the washroom. How spacious and clean it is.
Wow.
I love good washroom.
Wow!
I told you, right? Like I was so attracted by the washroom.
Look at this, how big this is. So look, oh.
Go there. There's more space.
This is
Maybe
the...
me in the middle also.
Yeah. There's a bird. This is literally 10 on 10. No complaints. 10 on 10. Impressed? We've been to very disappointing stays for our past vacations, and now staying here in such a luxury tent feels nice.
I'm sold as a bathroom for dinner.
Hi guys, welcome to Trees and Tigers Twin Tent. Again, retake. Hi guys, welcome to Trees and Tigers. I'm going to show you all the twin tent. This is a tent, and I can't believe the tent is so good with such good chairs, such good sofas. Look at that lamp. I wish we were not here for just 2 days. Just in case I feel like making some green tea for myself and some coffee, I can make it right here. Right here, I'm getting the view of the jungle with a sharing pool. How amazing that is. This is a tent. Can someone pinch me? Is this a tent? My entire friend group can be inside this bathroom. I love it, Udam. What about you?
I have it too.
Yeah? So happy. So happy to be here. See this? How huge the pool is. And this is exactly like right next to us, Tillu and Meghna staying. Everyone's just smiling. Everyone's really happy. Tomorrow morning we go for a safari. We have 2 safaris, morning and evening, and it's also our anniversary. I think we've. What I'm trying to say?
Never mind, it's okay.
Yeah, just.
Everybody knows you buffer a lot.
Yeah. We just had lunch. I can't believe I'm getting such good food inside the jungle. And this is also my first time being inside a luxury tent and getting such a great hospitality, which is amazing. We've always been backpacking everywhere. Every time we've traveled during our college days. We're here for 2 days. Day 1 is about just setting into it, enjoying the space, and tomorrow is going to be the safari. Are you guys sure you want to go to the pool right now?
Right now, looking at the
It's so
heat, I'm
hot,
not
yeah.
sure.
I slept inside the flight. I slept while traveling from the airport to the destination, and I didn't expect my body to sleep again, but here we are. I took a really good nap of 2 hours, and here we are to have some good coffee. क्या हो गया मेरे को? सो के उठी ना मैं.
So cute, huh?
Yeah. And now we're gonna go for a nature walk, and we're gonna spot some beautiful birds. I can't handle how silent this is.
Quiet.
Welcome to English classes with Rhythm Jane. I have genuinely loved discovering new birds right outside my window when there are some unique birds. I'm like, Rhythm, come, see. But you need to be very quiet when you're coming for bird watching. It's been so long I've seen a snake.
He just mentioned that there's a suspecting female cobra over here.
There is a nest. You see, there's a small gap
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
neem tree.
Yeah.
So that is a bioweaver's nest. So abandoned nest hai. So what bioweavers do, they collect fresh grass, they weave the nest, and the female comes and check the nest. If she likes the nest, then they can mate. If she don't like the nest, the male has to start again rebuilding a new nest, and if again the process goes on. If she likes it, they will mate, and then if she feels secure, if she feels the nest is perfect to lay eggs, then only they mate. Otherwise they won't.
Today, all we did was relax at the property. We went for a nature walk, which we absolutely love. And now we're gonna have some dinner and then go to bed and wake up tomorrow at 3:30 because tomorrow is the safari day. Yes, we're gonna take 2 safaris, one in the morning and one in the evening. But before that, we'll hog on to some food because we're definitely hungry.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a day.
When our tour guide Jonathan was telling us that do you all want a French press?
What did he say? What is his name?
Jonathan.
I heard Jonathan.
Without hearing anything these
Whatever
days.
I say, na, he has a filter that Dani galati bola.
No, today's entire day he's hearing rubbish on me.
Yeah.
Doing also rubbish things.
Exactly.
So he said, "Do I want a French fries during safari?" I'm like, "Yeah, get it." And Meghna and they were like, "No, we don't want it during safari." And I'm like, "Why, guys?" Then we went inside a room and then they're like, "There will be poop if I drink the coffee during the safari."
He
And I
actually
realized-
told the same thing to him in front of him. You did too.
I think that's not a good option to take coffee there because what if our system can't handle
I told him.
सुबह की सफारी के अंदर
दोनों ने
मैं तो सफारी बाजू में झुकूंगी शेर के बाजू में पॉटी करती हूँ चाय तो मुझे ज़्यादा प्रेशर देती है या we have so much food right in front of us that we want to show it to you guys. We have dal makhni, paneer makhni, then we have aloo, jeera aloo, the best dish ever. Then we have
Bhindi kurkure.
bhindi kurkure, and then we have rice, and he's getting the rotis. I'm going to wake up tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
We have Tullu with us. I know Tullu will wake us up because I sometimes
मारेगी
don't
सुबह
wake
को।
up.
पानी डाल दो
So
तुम्हें तुम लोग पे।
Let's dig it. Oh, we need a picture.
Tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about, so we can dine and spend up all our homes.
Yes, guys, eat. Who overate today?
I wanna celebrate and
Need to walk now.
We have a 4 a.m. wake up call tomorrow.
Yeah.
Go to safari. It's for 10 minutes.
Meghna is not going to sleep. She's going to wake us up tomorrow morning.
She's gonna matka do. She'll be in a sleep. ये मटका से
That's it for day one, guys. We're going to go sleep. If you loved watching the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you tomorrow. प्रणाम प्रणाम दर्शन चाहिए अपने को दर्शन
want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my card and swipe it again.